Hello everyone, welcome to day 50 of the 90-day wedding photography workshop. Today we're talking about something extremely simple but very, very important: direction of light. And basically all it really is where the nose is pointed, you want your light coming in from that same side. When in doubt, just do that and you'll be fine. But to illustrate this point, we're using the shoot that we did with Kayla earlier in this week. So pop over to this, and you can see this photo, both of these two photos rather, are the exact same settings, exact same modifier on the light, exact same distance from the camera, pretty much same expression. The only difference is Kayla turned her head into the light. And then once we work the expression a little bit, we get a really nice portrait. This is the most basic thing that I see a lot of people just messing up, and it's so simple that I feel like people just don't realize it or don't recognize it, that you just want them turned towards the key light, because that is short lighting, which you can look that up if you want further information. It's the difference between short lighting and broad lighting. So this is broad lighting, this is short lighting. It just gives a better shape to the face. And we have a little video clip here that will play as well, so this is taken right from the camera that we're actually shooting the photos with. So when you see it blink black, that's the photos being taken. Let me restart my webcam. Okay. So yep, still, and then we switch sides, and now we're short lit. And then we just coach a nice expression, and we get a nice photo. So it's a lot of just like little movements to get the right angle. So that's a little overpose, so we bring her back a little bit more, chin down slightly, and right about there is where I'm happy with it. And we get a nice smile, and that makes a nice photograph. So yeah, it's a very basic thing, but it's so fundamental that I feel like it's ignored, and when it's ignored, it's really apparent. When in doubt, just light the bride's nose and you'll be fine. All right, that is it for today. There is a lot more to this shoot that we'll talk about in the coming days. Specifically, I went through all of the different modifiers that we use on a wedding day. I can show you all the different light that it does. Oh, cool, the menu kicked up at one point. Oh, because I hit play button. All right, so join us tomorrow, and we'll go through those and show you some cool stuff with that. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.